Hi, this is a quick video on a new page I've added to the MathsLinks website, currently called Resource Generator. Took me a little while to build it and not very long to name it. I don't love the name. I might change it. I'm going to add my name in this box. You don't need to do this, but it's going to generate a PDF for me with links to video lessons and resources for specific topics, whichever topics I select. So it will add my name to the PDF because I've done it. So what you can do is there's a few ways of adding topics. You can select them by their rough grade level, like I'm doing here. I can select all of them from that grade level if I want to. I can even sort of I can search, I can find like forming and solving equations, standard form. So I've added them all. And what it's going to do now is generate me a PDF. And let me show you the PDF it's made. So it's made this for me. It's put my name at the top. Again, if I didn't put it there, it wouldn't matter. All the topics I selected are listed down here. And we've got a link to a video lesson for that topic and links to worksheets for that topic. I'm going to update this to add more worksheets in as well. I've only put a few in at the moment as I was building it. So really useful. The way I use it, students I tutor, if we've covered specific topics in a lesson, I might do this for them and email it over to them. It's basically a reference for what we did in the lesson and further work. But if you're a student yourself, you could come on here and sort of generate a PDF for yourself on topics you know you need to work on. And straight away, you've got links to a video or worksheet, or you can use the Cognito website. It's like an online website where you can do the maths on there. There aren't links for every topic for Cognito that's sort of coming. So a really useful, hopefully, way of sort of organizing resources that you want to use.